Where are you going, Edward? You gonna keep on rolling? Woo! There you go. There we go. There we go. Very good, Edward. Show everybody how you can roll. Careful now. Uh-oh. Well, that's not attractive. Let's let Mommy get a spit-a-brag. Where's your spit-a-brag? Okay, let's try this again. Show everybody what you're doing. Woo! You are fast, little man. Careful. Come on, show everybody what you're doing. Woo! There you go. You're just moving so fast. Yay! Where are you going? Going over to the bookshelf? Let me catch you now before you bonk your head.